Want to personalize your PlayStation 5 like never before? Let's dive into how you can easily change your PS5 background with the latest update. First, make sure your PS5 is updated to access the new Welcome Hub, replacing the old Explorer tab. After installing the latest updates and restarting your PS5, you will see your new Welcome Hub. This hub will allow you to customize your background and widgets. In the Welcome Hub, explore new customization options with widgets like storage, battery levels, trophies, online friends, and many more. You can use Change Presets icon on the right for instant layouts, then simply rearrange and resize the widgets according to your liking. To change your background, select Triangle, and then scroll all the way to the right, where you select the Change Background icon. There are 3 ways to change your PS5 background: from PlayStation, from Games, and Media Gallery. The From PlayStation option lets you select from artworks related to the brand. From Games contains images from a range of single-player and multiplayer PS5 games. You can even select the animated backgrounds for extra style. Want something more personal? Head to Media Gallery to find your screenshots and favorite game characters. You can even use images downloaded from the internet as your PS5 background. Select the background that you want, and it will be applied until such time that you decide to replace it. And that's it. Now your PS5 looks uniquely yours. Didn't get your Welcome Hub? The Welcome Hub is being launched globally, so it may take a few days for yours to be available. Comment down below your country and whether or not you already have the new PS5 Welcome Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more PS5 tips.